Welcome to Matt Bajerski YouTube channel. It's a beautiful day to talk about nothing. Nothing! Not till 4 hours from now. And then we're going to talk about a real interesting subject, which is worlds within worlds. We're going to talk about all the unusual phenomena that happens that most people just don't see because they're too busy working. Reality of life is just eating, drinking, sleeping and working. But when you step out of that program, you get to realize that very, very quickly that our spirit world are always with us, and at times there are other worlds that are always trying to attach and always trying to manipulate our thoughts and feelings. There's also energies that create illness within us. There's also incredible energies that help heal us as well. We're going to look at that. We're going to look at the difference between ghosts, spirit trapped in between two worlds. We're going to look at entities. We're going to look at demonic energies and all the things that I find fascinating. That at 38 years old, I started this path and learned so much with regards to all of those things. And I'm so happy to share that freely with you tonight, 8 o'clock, that is Spain time, on sheepfarm.co.uk. I believe it will be live here, so if you go onto Sheep Farm on YouTube, you'll find it there ready for you to click on, and click on the bell so you get notified, and then you can join us in a live chat as well. Any questions you've got about ghosts, entities, and or whatever you want, we can have a beautiful chat. So I'm going to save my voice because after that show I might be jumping onto another show. So we'll see what happens. But just to finalize today, I'm just working on some iolites, some, what else? Branbergs, green, the last set of green amethyst, and tanzanite, some beautiful pieces of tanzanites, and some I've got some pyrites in there that I have to finish. So that's going to keep me busy for 4 hours. Also, just to let you guys know, I'll link below 3 links, and that is that on Sunday, yes, Sunday night at 12 o'clock, there are 3 special offers that have to stop. Okay, so we're limiting it till Sunday at 12 o'clock. The first one is, I don't know if any of you have ever heard of this, it's my favorite kit, and it's called cleansing, it's called negative energy cleansing, negative energy and protection kit, and it's brilliant. So basically that's something that I would use when I go out and do my work or when I'm cleansing the room. It's a fantastic kit, and the normal price for that is 241. That's the normal price, but right now it's 150. So that ends on Sunday night. Also the oil set, it stops again. I said it'll stop on Sunday night at 12 o'clock. All my oils, the original price is 298, and it's on special offer at 120, and that includes free DHL, so it should get to you in a few days. And last but not least, the tarot course. The tarot course is normally 250. At the moment, it's at a whopping 100. So that's pretty cool, including the cards, including free DHL. That stops on Sunday. So all these 3 things will go back up to the original price for probably about 4, 5, maybe 6 months. So I hope you enjoy these offers. If you haven't had one yet, I reckon it's a fantastic time to learn how to work with tarot cards and read them and help you improve your life like they do mine. And also the oils, which are fantastic, absolutely amazing for everyday life, for whatever you do in your life. And of course, the negative energy and protection kit, that is a must for all of us in this time of madness and insanity, keeping us sane, strong, and balanced on that tightrope. I'm wishing you all a lovely day. I'm going to leave it at that, but only link 3 links, and that's for these 3 amazing offers. From my heart to yours, I hope you appreciate them, and I hope they make a difference in your life. Okay, and I guess lastly, I did a video this morning live, and that was really nice. It was only short, but it was so lovely to capture a glimpse of one of my old clients and friends, Mark Curry from Bugsy Malone. I don't know if you ever watched Bugsy Malone. It was a set of young kids There was many famous people, many famous children in there, in that film. Yeah. What's that girl called from Silence of the Lambs? She was in it too. Anyway, Mark was in that, and you'll probably remember Mark as the face of Blue Peter. He was one of those happy chaps, and he is exactly the same. And I actually was doing a live, and then I thought, oh, I recognise, oh, it is. And then I recognised it was Mark. So he said hello, and I spun the camera around, and he said hello to everybody. He's doing something very interesting at the moment, which is called Wicked, and it's in London, and it's in theatre, and it's The Wizard of Oz. And we all know what The Wizard of Oz is, hey? Yes, pull that veil back, pull that curtain back and see the madness that's happening. And have a great day anyway. It was lovely to see him. So he said hello. Oh, come here. Take them off. Okay, that's my little girl now. She can't see a thing because these have just come off her. She's just had her tea. Come here, do you want to have a look at her when her hair's down? She doesn't know where she's walking. I've just taken, you just fell off her. Yeah, fell off her. So, there she is. Look, under there. Look. She reminds me of a never-ending story. You know that big creature? Oh, what flat flies? Look, pull her hair back. She looks like, yes, you do. Never-ending story. She's a great girl. She's been amazing these past few weeks. Hey, she's such a treat. She's such a special girl. Well, there's no point me talking. I don't want to lose my voice because we've got a lot of talking to do tonight. It should be fascinating. So please join us on YouTube. And yeah, look forward to seeing you there. 8 o'clock tonight, Spain time, 7 o'clock England, UK time. And it should be a fascinating chat with two of my good friends, Dominic and Christian. Dominic was more my friend than Christian. I didn't really see him that much, but they're great guys. They're from Yorkshire, so 3 Yorkshire lads having a chat. And yeah, it should be fun. All right, guys, from myself and Lily, have a most amazing day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.